Welcome to the Crypto Andrew channel. Let's look right now at Dogecoin on the weekly time frame. Since we last looked at this, we did make a new weekly candle. The weekly is oversold, the 3 days oversold, the 2 days oversold. A lot of these time frames, even the daily is oversold on Dogecoin. What's not a good situation is even though the stock RSI is ready for a bounce, you lost the 17-cent range. So obviously this falling wedge did not play up to the upside. So obviously now it's massively negated, and not only that, you're losing the weekly support at 12 cents. So if you don't hold 12-cent rate region, your next stop would be about 7.3 cents. If you don't hold 7.3 cents, the next weekly support is 5.4 cents. So you have weekly support at 12 cents, and you have weekly support at 5.4 cents, and then you also have a less strong support at 7.3 cents, which I still think that's good support, but it's not as strong as the 5.4 cent level or the 12 cent level. So 12 cents has been holding out for the last few months, and right now you just made a lower low ever so slightly. And now in a time like this, you have to look at the smaller time frames. 8-hour chart is ready for a bounce, 6 hours ready for a bounce. Even on Dogecoin, the 4 hours, same thing. But the 2-hour chart is struggling. You tried to get some kind of move to the upside, you didn't even get overbought, and you're rolling over. So even though I think we're due for some kind of short-term bounce, maybe even just at 13.5 cents, it just doesn't look good. Like, I don't like what I'm seeing on Dogecoin right now. It's likely that if you cannot hold 12 cents, you are going further lower to the downside. And now let me just zoom in here on the 50-minute time frame. Look at that. Like, you got overbought very quickly. That's a much lower high. Even on the 50-minute time frame, the last high was 13.3 cents. Now you're making a lower high right now at 12.2. And also, this is what we call a bear flag. This is your pull down right here. And then this is your flag. So unfortunately, even Dogecoin right now on the 15-minute time frame is in a bear flag and is looking for more downside, and that would take you below that weekly support at 12 cents down to 10.4, and then at that point you're in a downfall. And then if you get down to 10.4, would you make another bear flag, or would you get a V-shaped recovery back up above support? That is what we're looking at for Dogecoin. So right now, if you lose 12 cents, next support is 7.2 cents I see on Dogecoin. So Dogecoin could be in for a massive red week. We'll see what happens. If you guys enjoyed this update, appreciate if you hit the like and subscribe. Even though it wasn't bullish, I'm sorry. That's what I see in the markets. We are live Saturdays and Mondays, 11 p.m. Central Time. Please hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I post a video, and I'll see you guys in the next update.